Elon Musk na Biden built a back better Texas lak to mailaw. Text kangay law kovel tan Mars lama na kathohi American Hausa te anlaw babon rebremve. President Biden an American billionaire haulaka text lak tumin built a back better ti shal akal theinan Nancy Pelosi CNN le liberals how media mangin chan alale Democrats ten summan natur Chu Chilean plan mu le dan tour plan chen khat White House in Atlanta bok Elon Musk hausak na hi 253.8 billion Tesla's market value 1 trillion atun kara atheng chau The Washington Post in article anzia President Joe Biden 2 trillion built a back better's plan a US Mihausa so mabitum don ti siat ani chungte chu Max Jeff Bezos Bill Gates Larry Page Mark Zuckerberg Sergey Brin Larry Ellison Steve Ballmer Warren Buffett le Jim Watton te ani The Washington Post article hiyan Musk would pay as much as 50 billion under the tax over its first 5 years, while Bezos could pay as much as 44 billion in Ainziak. Hey Elon Musk aron changlek. Democrat billionaire tax tuan Mihausa som abitum don mo mase plan dang kanayalom kovel mishing ten Mars yang zoka kan mesha theinan Chan Kala alom, Democrat billionaire tax would heavily target 10 wealthiest Americans, but the alternative plan is emerging. My plan is to use the money to get humanity to Mars and preserve the life of consciousness. Mark le Bezos tehiana billionaire space race na making and company SpaceX le Blue Origin 10 NASA baka Mars lama chan anlale Senate Finance Committee Chairman Ron Wyden swan President Joe Biden 2 trillion build back better plan ai le tax plan pass turin na chan alamek tax plan hi pass ani swan 10 wealthiest Americans 10 1.3 trillion changin anvain 276 billion taxes an petheido Elon Musk yana Biden tax plan hi ai lauti Twitter ha atar lang photo Monday khan eventually they run out of other people's money and then they come for you ti in a post book mas hausak na hi sang hi som pali changa sang hi som pariat khan 13.9 billion a report ta 1.52 billion total income taxes a 455 million ape sang hi som pariat khan federal income tax apelaw sang hi som panga khan 6,800 ape sang hi som pariata 6,500 tax data for richest American sang hi som pali achanga sang hi som pariat Warren Buffett years total taxes paid total income report sang hi som palia 7.93 million 46.8 million sang hi som panga a 1.85 million 11.6 million sang hi le som paruka 3.82 million 19.6 million sang hi som pasaria 4.75 million 22 million sang hi som pariata khana 5.36 million 24.8 million Jeff Bezos year total taxes paid total income report sang hi som palia 85.4 millions 367 millions sang hi som panga a 126 million 542 millions sang hi som paruka 323 millions 1.35 billions sang hi som pasaria 398 millions 1.68 billions sang hi som pariata 43.5 million 284 millions Elon Musk year total taxes paid total income report sang hi som palia 30.4 millions 165 millions san hi som panga a 78.5k 3.15 millions san hi som paruka khan 42 million 1.34 billion san hi som pasaria khan 73.7k 6.22 million san hi som pariata 8.41k 3.85 million kumsan hi som pakwa chang khan Mihausa ton to ten tax pek mumal tak an nei tarlan tura omlo heng Mihausa ton to lak achanga tax anlak hian American economy tam tak klutse tur aveng theidon ani